Hello, and welcome to another remote work from home job just for you. Today, we're going to be talking about the Provider Relations Associate Analyst, which is a remote position that pays $20.15 an hour, and this is with Taylor Management. So this job is 100% remote. The training hours are Monday through Friday from 8:30 a.m. to 5 p.m. The regular hours of work will be from Monday to Friday from 10:30 a.m. to 7 p.m. The pay will be $20.15 an hour, paid every Friday. So you'll be getting paid every single week instead of waiting 2 weeks for a paycheck. And the contract length is from July 25th, 2022 all the way to January 31st, 2023, with an extension and permanent placement based on attendance and performance. And they have 6 openings, so 6 people can qualify for this job. This is a non-clinical customer service position within an inbound call center that supports the health provider network. The Provider Relationships Associate Analyst is responsible for handling inbound calls from providers and their support staff regarding mental health and substance use disorder services. The responsibilities include communicate eligibly, benefits and authorization requirements to providers for their customers who have coverage, interpret claims information and billing procedures, and assist the provider with any claim processing issues, provide follow-up on incoming inquiries via fax, phone, mail, and email, problem solve to ensure exceptional customer service, stay abreast of department updates to provide accurate information. This position is considered entry level. The work environment is structured. A typical workday consists of sitting at a desk answering inbound calls for the majority of the day. Each contractor is scheduled a 30-minute lunch and 2 15-minute breaks per day. Occasional outbound calls may be necessary for issues requiring follow-up. So the skills that they would like will be customer service experience, ability to maintain a professional and positive image to external customers. Candidate must possess superb interpersonal communication skills, effective listening and organization skills with the ability to manage multiple tasks, intuitive technical capabilities with the ability to quickly understand and apply working knowledge on several proprietary systems, ability to type effectively and have strong PC skills. If you have a bachelor's degree, it is preferred, but it's no longer a requirement. For those people that don't have a bachelor's degree, you can still apply for this since it is entry level. A high school diploma or GED is now listed as a minimum level of education required. So you need to have at least a high school diploma or a GED in order to apply for this. The training for this position consists on 2 parts: eligibility and benefits training and claims training. Each part is approximately 4 weeks long, so you'll be training for 2 months before you actually start doing this job, which is really good for anybody that doesn't necessarily have all the skills. Hours during the training are 8:30 a.m. to 5 p.m., and that's Central Standard Time in case you're in the West Coast or in the East Coast. After all the training is completed, the hours for the position will be 10:30 a.m. to 7 p.m. Central Standard Time, and hours may vary on business need. So if this sounds like something that you will qualify for, definitely check out the link below. I'll put it right in the description so you can apply right away. And if not, go ahead and subscribe as well and hit the notification bell so you get notified every single time we have a brand new work from home, especially designed for you. Whether you're fed up with the office work lifestyle and you just want to work from home, or you're just looking for more freedom for you and your loved ones and family, work from home opportunities for you right here on this YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified every single time we have a brand new work from home opportunity just for you.